My ticker melon. Let me grab a spoon. I'm going to save the seeds and see what my ticker melon tastes like. Can you hear my cricket? Sounds like I'm outside, doesn't it? I'm not. I'm in my house. I'm in my living room right now. Back here. I'm in my bathroom, the back bathroom. Oh no. Oh no. It's in my bathtub. See, Jaja sits in the windows and goes nuts, and that's why she wakes me up in the morning. She sees all this stuff outside the windows. There's a little bird right there. Oop, you can't see it. Wait a minute. You might see it a little bit now. Okay, well, Mother Nature's waking up. And I'm having my coffee. There goes a red bird. Oh, y'all didn't see that. There's a red bird in the crepe myrtle tree. Oh, you missed it. I've got everything magnified. And there's that little tree I love so much. That little, the one right in the middle. That is such a pretty picture to me. I love that view. You know I was starting to make a video. You just pop out of nowhere. Here are the beginning of my year 5 seed collection. Hey, darling, please don't knock my seeds over. Oh my gosh, Jaja. You really are something. You come out of nowhere. You really do. Let me take a picture now. Easy, Jaja. And it's hot. I'm just dripping hot. It's that bad. Woof. And I hope you are not a sunchoke. I really hope you are not a sunchoke. I was hoping you were a sunflower. But the more I look at you, the more you look like a sunchoke. And I'm going to have to eradicate you from this spot because that's going to be a battle with Mother Nature that I do not look forward to. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. I am literally being saved by the storm. It was grumbling a little while ago. Oh, there you can see how dark the sky is. There it is. Anyway, I had a really, really ambitious plan today. It's like 1 o'clock. It's Sunday. I was going to get so much done. Oh gosh, it just got darker. Did you guys see that? And I do hope it rains because that was one of the things I had on my list. It's supposed to rain like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't believe them. It was supposed to rain a week ago. It was supposed to rain a week ago, like a couple of days. It didn't rain. I got a little bloop, and that was all I got. Whoa, there it is. I guess I shouldn't be outside. But here it comes. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to get some rain. Excelente. Because I have decided, let me show you what I've done. I'm going to do some practice gardens. I'm going to take less is more. Uh-oh. Okay, well, you see Jaja's here. It's raining. I've already stepped on Jaja's tail. She's all underfoot. But look at this awesome rain we're starting to get, so I don't have to go outside and rain. Instead, I can sit here and just think about what I'm going to plant in my... Jaja, she is all up in my seeds. Wow. Now get out of my water. Hold, bye, y'all. This is kind of sad. The tree that I like to take pictures of, and I was taking pictures. One of the limbs just fell off. I was taking a picture. I wish I had been taking a video. That would have been something to see. Anyway, you can see the tree's dead, but I think it's an interesting photographic opportunity.